Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let us see how to download Terraform. So for that, I'm searching for Terraform download. You can see the first link, that is install Terraform. I'm opening it. Then currently my system is Windows, so that's why I'm selecting operating system as Windows. I downloaded this 386 version. So currently it is downloading. Yeah, now the file got downloaded. I think it's it's get downloaded. Now I'm opening the folder. In the same folder itself, I am extracting it. You can say I've extracted this. Okay. Now my Terraform exe file got installed. That is downloaded. Before saving the path, let's see and check whether it is available in command prompt or not. So that's why I'm searching for Terraform. You can see currently I'm not getting any response. You can see that is not recognized. Now I want to close this, and now I want to again retry it. Now I want to add this path. So in order to add this path, you can say I'm just copying this path for terraform.exe, or else this folder path is enough for us. I'm just copying this. Now I'm opening the environmental variables. Here I'm opening this environmental variables, and now under system variables, I'm selecting the path. Here I want to edit and add one more new path. So that's why I'm clicking on add new. And here I'm pasting the path where my Terraform is installed. Terraform exe file is there. And I'm saving this by clicking on OK. And just saving this by clicking on OK. Yeah. Now all the changes got saved. I'm closing the command prompt that I've previously opened. And again, I'm opening the command prompt again. Let's check whether our Terraform is there. You can see our Terraform got installed. So that's why we're getting these many commands here. So that's the simple way to install your Terraform on your system. Hope this video is useful. If you feel this video is useful, then please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching again. See you back in the next video with another interesting topic. Until then, bye bye guys.